Wontumi has been very, very hot in the news. And I think that and when me tie the legal counsel bill.
Nhyira 104.5. Otie Kukrantumi. E number 1 account radio station
in the Appiah-Kubi FM. But tie ni wo Asempa FM and other platforms. But I think that maybe on hindsight, he didn't help Wontumi. I will explain myself.
Okay.
Maybe on hindsight, on the 3 cases I named Wontumi common, maybe on hindsight it will be able to maybe Wontumi should have gotten different lawyers to handle the case.
Okay.
Only time, interview is 60 minutes. On the Kwame Nkrumah case interview. I listen carefully. And me kasema my mama source. I listened to the interview with Obi. That is also about 15 minutes. We can hear better say Wontumi actually come Attorney General say obey plea bargain. This is the news. That's how I started.
Okay.
The Exim Bank case in Nhyira beginning 2018. And so I summarize them. Wontumi koti company be a friend of Wontumi Farms Limited.
Yes.
And no kwakachire Exim Bank so asase 100,000 acres. No be so dey fu to won na besia. And the money ska. And Exim Bank back and forth na no man 18.7 million. Na a mixture of a loan and a grant.
Yeah.
But in March 2018, Omudis say 14.3. That is Titisika 140 billion.
Yeah, easy.
Omusi the demand I want to be samba say wakoto fidie. Was kind of the man so fento agricultural machines. If you do at the bay phone.
That's right.
Often to a consultant and car. Often for libres or the betu moka. Patratas. And yet be a wolf. Now Wontumi ban or I paper be buy or much also receipts. Na nani ye wom ne se wakoto afudiebu o company fa ne Kasama Enterprise. Enti investigators ne ko asem nim no. Anom ko Kasama so na wona Wontumi beto ade wo no oh ampa Wontumi ba ya papa tintin bi. Na nim de dwa.
Koko.
No ba ye nim no ba je bo. Se afidie we eyesen, afidie we eyesen, afidie we eyesen. Ene ma ne pro forma invoice. Eno ka kire ye se or they kwachire ne mpanifo na oba beto yante ne nka bio it according to Yokono Wontumi ko ofie okọ ne office no okosesa pro forma no ekonye ne receipt.
Wow.
And or the come exam for no samba gis ka bio esa case no and a 30 million exam bank fraud case na okoye plea bargain me do be ko plea bargain mranim esa kire sen. Now before we even go into the akoko senior I think say Wontumi case no say any Wontumi wia whoever was the board chairman at that time, the CEO of the bank no, the loan officers no, me dream say esembra
anyone di
and the Bank of Ghana now no omo won sem bi kachire asoman.
Yeah.
Because even one before they gave the 14.3 million to Wontumi, who went to check the land?
That's right.
Who checked the documentation of the land? What was Wontumi's track record in agriculture and farming? When Wontumi presented the receipts to Akoto Fidie, nobody in the bank went further to check say Fidie no when esihefa company ben a tall man.
Because me say me no me oni akwaje loan e ka say for collateral mra bank ne be die kira ko he property cry dey ikusi awa
see asam no mo ka kire no me die
and adwoma asem
I've already said it say rodu rather ne dos wum. Yes, Wontumi may be the big fish, but Wontumi am fetu ankusi exam bank for na giska. Those who facilitated and enabled this glaring weird transaction to happen. Because the fact of the case is that when Wontumi submitted those documents, he was given extra cash. Is the Bank of Ghana telling us that you can just go to a bank
for the Christmas?
Me was said that kwaso. Me perfuaye. You go say to farms 14.3 million. Ajana wana yes in the dining na yesi we are. 60 million, 70 million dollars. Me atama manipa ba ko se ko.
Jeko. Fakoyefu.
Senior, ebu obrem. And the Bank of Ghana And the Exim Bank official at that time must answer some questions to the state.
Sure.
That said, Wontumi letter the come Attorney General or say, we hereby inform the Honorable Court that the first accused, Bernard Wontumi, hearing has through his counsel, Mr. Andy Appiah-Kubi Esquire, in a letter dated June 5, 2026, to the Honorable Attorney General, made a request to initiate a plea negotiation in respect of the charges in this trial. Now, so Wontumi say, now, what is instructive is that this case was filed on the 14th of May. Wontumi plea bargain on the 11th of June. It's not even 1 month. What is instructive is also that Attorney General has not made disclosures beyond the fact of the case.
Yes.
It is evidence the crime so on a cascam and nina kokasa no akasa mpa Wontumi be pro form and okoye editing. Say ni pana Wontumi man editing say receipts and allegedly Abrantia no so obe kasa no. In the evening, but Wontumi is going for plea. What does that tell you? It tells you that there's a presumption say Wontumi feels that he's liable in the matter. That's why you're going to plea bargain. Because what is plea bargain? In 2022,
and we understand that case, plea bargaining. We understand some way, somehow. And community are so behind the scenes.
Yes.
Negotiation for a long time.
Yes, but you have to inform the court.
Sure.
Now, the reason I have to inform the court in any. The reason I'm saying that there may be a presumption they want to make Jane say, but I'm not saying that out of vacuum. I'm saying that based on my reading of the Plea Bargaining Act. That is Act 1079, which was assented by President Kufuor on the 22nd of July 2022.
Okay. And the Appiah-Kubi can say a Mompa Manchama Wontumi.
Yes.
It is SMEC, and the Bidum say, and yet the Okayano.
Yes.
So did he help?
I'll come to the Appiah-Kubi.
Okay.
Later. Now, what is plea bargaining? Or say, the Criminal and Other Offences Act procedure, Act 30, is amended by the insection after Section 162, blah, blah, blah. Now, let me read for you what it means. It says that, subject to Section 162B, a person charged with a criminal offense, Exim Bank case, they're fraud, money laundering, financial loss to the state. These are criminal matters. Charged with a criminal offense may, at any time before judgment, negotiate with the Attorney General for a plea bargain or a plea agreement. So even the summer boy case now, you verdict and you're trying to July 3. So July 2nd, I want to make you send your water to name one of which could plea bargain.
Okay.
Why am I saying or say a person charged with a criminal offense may at any time before judgment negotiate with the Attorney General for a plea bargain. Now I go further to say, what would that seek to achieve? To reduce an offense charge with a lesser offense. And if, for example, someone boy case, a 15 to 25 years in jail, you can plea bargain and get 5 years, make certain restitutions. It's allowed. To withdraw a charge against an accused person, that can also be done. To reduce the punishment for an offense charged within the law that prescribes the punishment. Or say, a plea bargain under subsection 1 may provide a sentence or a range of sentences to be recommended to the court. The payment by the accused person or compensation to the victim of the offense, or the making of restitution by the accused person or the prior consent of the accused persons. Now, what Wontumi will do with the Attorney General is back and forth. 30 million, mania 20. There be mania 20, mania 25. Oh, mania 25, mania 27. Okay, mania 22. That is a recommendation to the court. When the court accepts it, it becomes a verdict or a judgment of the court. That's what plea bargaining means.
Okay.
They say, "Yeah, charge Wontumi say, 30 million be akodi no afa kwa paso." And Wontumi so plea bargaining. Plea bargaining Wontumi make us okay. Munyi charge ni free me so, me trace kan nyina. Munyi charge ni free me so, menya 25 million. Now, Attorney General Jituma no the sad na koba court say, me ni Wontumi akwa agree na ya agree ni na court no so ayedan. Who adopt it. The court, I'm also told, can also say that they are varying the terms of that agreement. So that is basically what a plea bargain means.
That's right.
Now, as some question about now, people for social media to see and the Appiah-Kubi say, CMC, case management conference. Charging a diabo Wontumi. The evidence, the ingredients, and Ankasani evidence, I told you, I'm public. He didn't know plea bargain. Then he started speaking. But you see, I always say, and I'm giving you my sources. I say, okay, FM interview, and I say, FM.
Okay.
When people are speaking, I listen to them carefully. I'm watching me background. na kese me back Kesebrim porn but I'm more but I wanted to listen to the interview again. So when I was driving to the office I was still listening. And the Appiah-Kubi be breaking news as FM say some boy case na ye die wie no. O could notify court when say wo yin who from say Wontumi lawyer. But I know me better I received a very shocking brief. The Attorney General has also indicated strongly.
Yes, so
say and the Appiah-Kubi yes are open because the presumption is that when the Appiah-Kubi does so, Wontumi have to elect a new lawyer.
No more chance here.
Now the case will not start again, but the court may give the lawyer a new window to
open
familiarize with the case and everything. That may go beyond the legal vacation.
Okay.
So they think that it's a strategy the Wontumi team want to deploy to delay the case. But even in that, you see, sometimes when you are speaking, you need to match. It's about me source me. And the Appiah-Kubi say grounds not they come. Me see an interview na one number they be 5 or so 1 case ne bobo sododo. On say Wontumi what 3 cases. Tano mrim case no. Sama boy nimri tama boy de no. Ana Exim Bank. O say case ne bobo sododo. No no lawyer for no kra no. Wasan je adwuma bi aka. When he said that I said why will you say me say only okay for me no pa. Adeshia bi o said on Kwame Nkrumah kese. That's my source.
Okay.
Meba a reasons so. O say time case ne bobo sododo. 2. O say omo submission of no case no. Unsa Attorney General bo ni nkro wie no. Initially in the same boy case no Wontumi ka say on kasa.
Okay.
Or Jane say the Attorney General has not adduced enough evidence for no Wontumi to speak. Then the court sat on it, and the court on the page 30 and 31 said a very instructive thing. My phone is not here, I would have projected. What it basically is that based on the evidence, our prosecution and led by Justice Samson Wontumi has something to answer.
Okay.
So when the Appiah-Kubi went to the appeals court, based on the tone of the page 30 and 31 in the High Court ruling, he even said that he feels the judge on the matter has been prejudicial. But what is prejudicial about it? Because the judge can only say Wontumi has to open his defense because there's been an establishment of a prima facie. If there's no prima facie, yes, so that I don't know how to put it. So that's the only common sensical thing the judge will say. Say, media evidence na Attorney General de abano mitia e Thomasum enti wonso be hu na mente wonso side. That does not mean or infer that the judge is biased.
Okay, next mo mebo nkro.
Yes. Asamasi. Yen me no na tiku kwantumi program isu anope meboa. Oku se ku ofie.
Yes.
Ana oku school ko suade meboa. Oni ha. Ana sem ni si ye no. Ye kofie. What is?
Yes.
Ana oku se ku fre na abo nkuro. Ana o se amprechum. Asama wa katu ni me de me bi na me gitum se gugu. Ana me yu se tutu initial bo frame kra me se na dey. Me kasa. Ana me just am ko jibi ho. Teni ye o. Me di ko jibi wo no. Ana Jimmy say otiam pretuma you just say okasa. That does not mean say wajam pretum ye natum. The judge is even giving you a window for you to also what?
Yes.
Bring evidence against what is being placed on you.
That's right.
The third reason he gave is that or say some boy concession want to be ordered legally. Now want to mean microphobic agreement to say omunkoye reclamation. And I go for now I say there's no document that shows that Wontumi gave the land to the gentleman and instructed him explicitly to do galamsey. But that is the evidence you led in court. Say Wontumi and yes sir. The ruling is 3rd July. So why do you think that you must be heard on radio before the judge? Because what that tells me that then you know that you were not able to rightly defend your client.
Yes.
And therefore, in my view, you are causing disaffection for the judge.
That's right.
Now, let's come back to the one.
Court to one can was him. A friend of a radio soon.
Yes. Now, also time, the element of the time. Did anybody force them? And everybody see, my YouTube channel, the critical analyst. Young Kufo my favorite. Esi Dunketia.
Okay.
Cabinet Japan. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And the Appiah-Kubi President Mahama. They are people I respect. My biases are clear. That does not mean that na president must nam jam bonachi. But me am jam bonachi.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that there are people who feed me. Nobody has given me one peso. I'm saying that there are people I respect.
That's right.
You may not respect them. That is your view. And I'm not entitled to determine who you respect. But I'm saying that I respect Appiah-Kubi. But an interview now why na sempane okay. One more Wontumi. And I'm explaining myself say. So what can we okay for me interview ni mu say. Okra waji amanfo cases na case go so a. Then the inference can be say plea bargain in the crana wokono. When there's not been any case management conference, when the Attorney General has not given you the evidences he will stand on to prosecute your client, and go for plea bargain, that is because we will show our selfish interest.
Yes.
You are not looking out for the interest of your client.
Open term.
Mr. Kotie interview, no say Ejuma Gune. So the interview actually is on the Critical Analysis channel. My last video, it's on my channel. Anybody can go and watch it.
Open term also.
Exactly. So the evidence can also be say me on hindsight. I think that Wontumi should have gotten different lawyers for the different cases.
Wow.
Because also what break. He said it in the interview.
I don't think I kind of say illegal mining case, you know, watching who free hono. I don't know watching who free hono. So that's what I'm saying that then maybe on hindsight. I can tell mining case and watching who free hono.
Wontumi should have gotten a different because it's weird. The case is concluded. The case is concluded. For me, what they are doing, it is rather giving the public that I didn't do a good job. I'm not sure of the defense I led for my client. So let me cut my losses. And it's all within 2-3 days here. I think that senior should tone down a bit. Yeah. I think
I am myself. Muhammad joined.
Interview, I was disappointed. That does not mean I'm saying Wontumi is innocent. I'm not saying that. But even murderers are supposed to have the best of legal counsel. Because me, all my life, me to DSTV crime documentaries.
Okay.
There are people who've been convicted for years. People who've been convicted for years. I'm pretty sure you will come later. Maybe any panel crash. I'm not you want to me here. Me, my background is Metropolitan climate science. So Galam say, and somebody at the tone say, I'm a boss. Some internet, some boy case. When you read the minerals and mining, it's between 15 to 25 years. Tanumrim is the same. And in fact, the Tanumrim prosecution started under Kufuado.
Okay.
Patriots. So they are grave cases. But the two interviews are material and killing. You see, the final thing I conclude is that, and I always say this, I'm a very young man in my early 30s, but I followed this our enterprise for the last 20 years, since 2006. Senior, one thing I've always said is that when you have a power today, have cognizance of the fact that that power is transient. One day that power may not be there.
Yes.
You may be vulnerable.
Yes.
Therefore, whatever activity you are doing with that power, have cognizance. Have cognizance. Have that awareness. Maybe you could follow a common group of conductor my quadro. Me a correct course. Meet your catcher say, Unyes cano. The entire defina no shani could follow Juma upon. No, yet. Juma handy job, Musi and passing.
That's right.
Was the pram passing the via? 1 year be the other, what the father
sir.
Or found about Kuba, na
Kyle. Maybe I'll free bar.
That's what I mean by cognizance of everything that you are doing.
Great, Nhyira 104.5. Eugene the fact checker and Moten and Kano.